All right, so we finished up our wheel well boxes. So we made them out of a combination of angle and square tubing and welded them all together for the framing. And then we covered the outside of them in 1/2 inch plywood, and then covered the plywood in the roll-on bed liner that you can get in any auto parts store. And so the thought behind that was really it's waterproof, it's non-slip, it's super durable, and it's super easy to touch up if we do nick it. We're going to use this for elk hunting and a bunch of other hobbies that we have that it's not going to be a liveaboard, so it's going to get used. But really happy with the way they turned out. The only thing I'm not super happy with is we added in rubber weather stripping to keep the box lids from bouncing on the wood and making noise. Now it's up where it used to sit flush, so we're probably going to go back and change that out. And then just trimmed everything out in 1/2 inch aluminum angle just to kind of break up the color of the black. Inside are 20-gallon water tanks on both sides. Got them from Northwest Conversions. They're really nice, good use of space with the wheel wells. We went with an interior fill versus drilling a hole through the outside of the van. Just we don't want to have that problem drilling through the outside of the van. And then both tanks will be slaved together so that they're drawing from the 40 gallons at the same rate. And then underneath the van in the center will be a drain so that we can drain the tanks if we need to for cleaning and whatnot. And then outside here will be a plug-in for an outdoor shower, which will attach to our tankless hot water heater that we're going to run off of propane for outdoor shower, and then also a plug-in for cold water on the outside with a single pump running everything. Same thing over here underneath this one. The only difference is up front we're going to have another outlet over here for a cold water, which will come up to this countertop here where our portable sink will plug in, and so everything will sit up here. But again, it's modular because we're not going to be living in this. If we want to pull it out, we still can just take everything out and use this as usable space. And then we built in a shelf down below, so storage for whatnot. But the bottom shelf, the measurements are for Yeti Goal Zero 3000, which will fit here, and then a little bit of storage over the side, and everything will be plugged into the hardwire system for the van. Seat still comes out just fine, no issues with that. And then we're going to add on the front here a flip up butcher block countertop so that we can increase our counter space when the seat is out for using. So everything is just kind of just mocked up into place right now. We're not going to go any further with it at this point. We're waiting for our Adventure Wagons kit. So once that comes in, we can get the wall panels and ceiling panels put in, and then we can go back and mount everything for the final assembly. But pretty happy with the way everything's going right now. The Yeti Goal Zero will be hardwired into the alternator as well with a plug behind there, so no exposed wires or anything like that, and plenty of power for what we need. Any questions, hit me up. Thank you.